How to change Netflix password. Hi everyone, welcome back to 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact process on changing your Netflix password. So let's get right into it. From the home screen of your Netflix app, tap on your profile icon which you see on the top right, and then open up account. From the accounts tab, if you scroll down a bit, you'll have an option of changing the password. You can tap on this option and it's gonna give you this interface where you first need to type in your current password. If you don't remember the current password of your Netflix account, then you won't be able to change your password. Instead, you need to reset your password. To reset it, tap on the forgot password option and you just follow the steps that is shown and you will be able to create a new password. But if you do remember your password, you can type it in and then create a new password. Your password must be at least 6 characters long, and in the third box you'll again need to repeat it. Now underneath this option you'll see an option of sign out of all devices. If you check this box, and once you change your password, all of the devices that you had previously logged into will be automatically signed out. If you don't want that to happen, you can uncheck this box and you can now tap on save. And as easy as that, your password of Netflix will be changed. Subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. And also make sure to turn on that notification if you want more content similar to this. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.